In this video, I will show you how to lock an app on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So let's say that for some reason I want to hide this app right here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and select it, and then this will show you all these different options. We're going to select require Face ID. Now here is where you need to be very careful because you have two options. So you have the option to lock the app using your Face ID, and you also have the option to hide it and lock it. If you only want to lock the app, you're going to select require Face ID. Of course, it's going to quickly scan your face. And now if I go back and I want to open up the app, it's first going to ask me for my Face ID. I'm not going to focus the phone on my face. And as you can see, if I try to open this app, it's going to ask me for my Face ID. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.